And I'm Chandan and welcome back to my channel. So it's the part 4 of the Delhi Sultanate class 9th ICSE history. So we'll begin with the the Khilji dynasty. Okay, Alauddin Khilji 1296 to 1316. Alauddin Khilji had to deal with the loyal nobles of his dead uncle after becoming the Sultan. He blinded some of them. He imprisoned some, मतलब वो उनके अंकल के डेथ के बाद उनको सुल्तान बना दिया गया, तो वो बहुत किसी किसी को इम्प्रेशमेंट दे दिया, मतलब जेल के अंदर डाल दिया एंड पुट देम, और किसी किसी को उन्होंने डेथ पे भी डाल दिया. ही कॉन्फिस्केटेड देयर जागिर्स एंड देयर वेल्थ. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, बहुत थंडनिंग एंड लाइटनिंग हो रही है. आई गेस नहीं, लाइटनिंग नहीं हो रही, थंडरिंग हो रही. सो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ इग्नोर द साउंड. Victory over Mughals. Alauddin Khilji had to face frequent Mughal invasions. From 1296 to 1308, the Mughal leader was defeated and killed, and his followers were put to death. After 1308, there was no more attack on India. 40-year policy. Balband's policy was followed by Alauddin to strengthen his defense. The best and the most loyal officers were put in charge. ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट फोर्ट्स वेर रिपेयर्ड. तो जो जो सबसे ज़्यादा लॉयल ऑफिसर्स थे ना, उनको वापस काम पे रखा गया. और जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स या फोर्ट्स थे ना, उनको रिपेयर किया गया. इम्प्रूव वेपन्स को इम्प्रूव किया गया, वापस मैन्युफैक्चर करा गया. Powerful contingents were posted. Alauddin maintained a large and permanent army to meet the Mughal menace. तो अलाउद्दीन ने एक बहुत बड़ी और परमानेंट आर्मी रखी मंगोल्स के लिए. Conquest of Alauddin. From 1299, Alauddin began his conquest. First was Gujarat, followed by Mewar, Malwa and Sevana, with practically the whole of the northern India. Under his rule, Alauddin turned his attentions toward the south with the ambitions to establish his control, which had generally been left out by the Muslim rulers. The other factor was the attraction towards the Deccan wealth. The political condition in the south was favorable. The Hindu rulers were at war with each other, so they were not in a position to be united. As we know that Hindus were fighting each other, so you cannot, like, Hindus were not united, so it was very easy for them. The Deccan was. In March 1307, Sultan Alauddin sent his third expedition to the south under his trusted general Malik Kafur, the first ruler of Ramchandra Deva of Devgiri. Malik Kafur plundered his kingdom. Ramchandra was forced to make peace. He was allowed to rule as a vassal. And next was Kakatiya, ruler of Warangal, in 1310. Here also King Pratap Rudra Deva was brought into submission and made a vassal tributary state. Malik Kafur returned with a lot of wealth. The third king was Veera Balla III, the Hoysala ruler. In 1311, he was defeated. The Hoysala king became a vassal of Delhi. The Malik Kafur marched towards Pandya kingdom in 1311. The kings met with the large fate at the previous rulers, and the last campaign was against Devgiri, whose new ruler was supported, paying tribute. Many towns in his kingdom were captured and looted. To teach him a lesson, Sankarya Deva was defeated and killed in 1311. जो संकरिया देवा जो थे, उनको 1311 में मारा गया. लाइक समुद्रगुप्त अलाउद्दीन did not wish to annex the Deccan kingdoms. समुद्रगुप्त की तरह अलाउद्दीन भी अपना एनेक्स नहीं करना चाहते थे. हिज मेन एम वॉज टू कलेक्ट एज मच एज वेल एज पॉसिबल टू मेंटेन हिज लार्ज परमानेंट आर्मी. उनके जैसे आपने बताया कि उन्होंने बहुत बड़ी लार्ज और परमानेंट आर्मी रखी थी टू फाइट अगेंस्ट मंगोल, तो वो उसको मेंटेन करना चाहते थे. The successful Deccan wars made Sultan's position strong. The finances improved. जो भी पैसे की दिक्कत थी वो सब ठीक हो गई है. No ruler or governor dared to challenge Alauddin to war. कोई भी गवर्नमेंट या रूलर को इतनी हिम्मत नहीं तो वो अलाउद्दीन को वॉर के लिए लेके आए. As we know that already the Hindus were fighting with each other, so it was anyways not possible. Main feature of Khilji dynasty: idea of kingship. Alauddin was despot, enjoying all powers. He did not allow region to influence state politics. His aim was to become a powerful sultan who would extend Muslim rule in India. So वो इंडिया में मुस्लिम रूल को फॉलो करना चाहता था, जैसे स्लेव डायनेस्टी आपने देखा. Measures to stop rebellion. Sultan Alauddin realized that he had a weak central government. Rebellious Muslim nobles as well as Hindu chiefs were the main dangers for the future of Sultanate. Accordingly, he adopted several measures. All the religious grants were withdrawn, land grants were cancelled, people had to pay tax frequently, and efficient spy system kept the Sultan well informed. जैसे आपको बताया था कि स्पाई सिस्टम रखा गया था इवन बिफोर द अलाउद्दीन खिलजी टाइम, दैट जो भी होता है वो आपको पता चल सके दैट दे वर नॉट अंडर कंट्रोल ऑफ द कॉन्क्वेरर और द एम्बेसडर. Fifth point is wine drinking and selling were forbidden to prevent conspiracies. No private meetings and intermarriages among nobles and their families were allowed without the sultanate. But as we know that अपनी पावर्स को बड़े करने के लिए बहुत टाइम से ऐसा हो रहा है कि अपनी पावर्स को और इन्हांस करने के लिए या अपना कोई कब्जा जमाने के लिए वो अपने बच्चों की एक दूसरे से शादी करवा देते हैं. सो सुल्तान ने कहा कि बिना उनके परमिशन के किसी भी नोबल्स के एक दूसरे बच्चों के साथ शादी नहीं होगी. Hindu chiefs and ordinary Hindu had to pay 1/2 of the procedure land revenue. Besides, they had to pay other obsessive taxes and reduce them to poverty and हिंदू लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा टैक्स भरना पड़ता था, जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत गरीब होते जा रहे थे. Military reorganization. Alauddin required a large standing army. He did not like to depend on the supply of nobles and जहांगीर्स. वो अपना खुद का बहुत, जैसे कि मैंने बताया, अपना खुद का बहुत बड़ी आर्मी रखते थे. वो नोबल्स के ऊपर भरोसा रखना नहीं चाहता था. वो नोबल्स पे बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं रखता था नोबल्स पे. He started several new measures. The soldiers were directly appointed and paid in cash by the state. Horses were branded and description and soldiers were recorded to prevent war. Darwayers was made to head of the military department. He had to enforce the rules about the land revenue. The Sultan ordered all the land to be measured and fixed revenue. जितनी भी land है, जितनी भी ज़मीन है, सबका same revenue होगा. A special offer. Muqtaj had to collect unrealized errors from the revenue collectors. Salaries of the revenue officials were increased so they did not accept bribes. और जितने भी officials की उनकी salary बढ़ा दिया गई ताकि वो घूस ना ले सके. Revenue could not be paid in cash or in kind. Sorry, could be paid in cash or या तो आप कैश